And also, we are having a giveaway. I collaborated with my vlogger friend.
And these are all the products that the winners will get. There's gonna have 2 winners.
Hey guys, it's Anneprettyness. Today's video is gonna be about a makeup tutorial of this look. So in this video, I'm going to be featuring Revlon products because I just got a big package from Revlon a few days ago, which looks like this. Bam! It's really big though. And it has so much products in it, which I'm not able to show you. Anyways, there's more product inside. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks like.
And here's what's inside the box. It has a lot of foundations, highlighters, correctors. These are lip products and some nail polishes, eyebrow products.
These are the new collections from Revlon. And if someone in Revlon is watching this, thank you so much, you guys. I really love it.
So if you guys want to know how I created the look, here is the video.
To start with, I'm using this Revlon Color Stay Brow Kit. I am initially putting the wax, and then on top is the powder. This is in the shade dark brown. I realized I didn't really like the shade of this. It's too dark on me, I think. So I'm going to be using a lighter one. This is in the shade soft brown. I'm going to be applying it. And I think I like this one more. I'm going to show you on the other side. It's too small, the applicator, but it's going to work. So this is the soft brown. And I really like the color of this better than the other. I really like this brow kit though. Like, I'm so surprised because I thought I was gonna have a problem with the brows, but it's so good. And then for the next product, I'm gonna be using this Revlon Color Stay. This is brow mousse. This is supposed to make your brows set, like stay in place. Alright, let's go to the eye makeup. First, I'm gonna be using this primer. It's also from Revlon. I'll be using this eyeshadow. This is 515 Adventurous. This is to set my primer, and then I'm using this Decadent for my transition color on the crease area, and then I'm applying a brown on top of this. This eyeshadow though is kind of powdery, so you have to wipe off the excess. And then I'm using this 510 in the shade Precautious. This is a little bit darker red brown and top of the excess. Okay, for my crease, I'm going to be using this concealer from Tarte. You just have to do like this, and voila, you just have to fill it in. It's easy breezy. So after I apply the concealer, I'm going back to this eyeshadow, and I realized the applicator that comes with it, it's easier, it's better to apply. And then let's go to the liquid liner. This has like a small wheel. It goes like this. I thought it was going to be hard to use, but look how easy. For me, it has more precision. I love it. And I'm going to be using this YSL Yves Saint Laurent Duo Eye Smoker. This is for tight lining my upper and lower lash line. Now for the mascara, I'm using this The Shack from YSL Yves Saint Laurent. Don't worry, it's blue, but when it dries out, it becomes a dark. Yes. And for my foundation primer, I'm going to be using this YSL Yves Saint Laurent All Hours Primer. This has SPF, so it's so good. And then, okay, we're going to go to correcting. This is in the shade Peach for my under eye because I have dark under eyes. And then the green one is for the redness, for those stubborn acnes. And then purple is for dullness, so if you guys want like to highlight some parts. Then to blend them out, I'm going to be using this Artis brushes. This is oval 4. These brushes are really so good. I mean, it's really flawless. Bristles are not your usual goat hair or synthetic. These are like NU fibers, I think you call it. Then after all those correcting, we're going to this foundation Insta Filter. I'm so excited with this because I remember I super love Revlon Airbrush Finish Foundation. I think they discontinued that one. Before I became a YouTuber, I would only buy that Revlon Airbrush Finish. I so freaking love it. So let's see if I'm gonna like this one. It's a little bit white because of the color. Correct. I'm a little bit concerned with this. It says it has antimicrobial, this sponge, but I don't know. It also says that it has antimicrobial, so you don't have to wash it, but I don't know. I love the color of this on me though. And then on one side, I'm gonna be using this Artis brush to blend it. And then on the other side, I'll be using a sponge. Just to show you the difference of a sponge and a brush application. And for my under eye concealer, I'm going to be using this YSL Yves Saint Laurent. This is the All Hours concealer. To blend it out, I'm using these Artis brushes. This is Oval 3.
Setting it with Coty Airspun. I feel like you don't even need to set this foundation with a powder, but I'm like that. I really like cemented look. That's why. For the highlighter, it looks like this. Luxy Dream. This is holographic. I'm gonna be using the holographic. It has like an iridescent pink and green. Ooh. This is... And then I'm gonna use this one. It has like a iridescent purple and pink. It's more like pinkish. That's good. I like how the green looks like, so I'm gonna put on green here on the inner corner. This is from Revlon also. It's exfoliating balm. I'm gonna exfoliate first before I put on some lipstick. I'm gonna use my Clarisonic. It's a very quick review with Clarisonic though. If you're wondering if it's the same, the cheap ones and the Clarisonic, they're not the same. So we're using this to exfoliate the lips because I'm extra. It vibrates. Oop. I don't know why my lips are so like dry nowadays. I'm gonna be using Candle Lips. This is for plumping. And then for the lips, I'm gonna try this 545, 520, and then 510. Alright, let's start with the 520. This is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. Now this is in the shade 545. This is the darkest from the whole lip cream collection. And last but not least, this is in the shade 510 Nude Honey. It's not transfer proof. I think it's gonna stay like this. It's like a lip gloss. Ta-da! Here's the finished look. And also, I am so excited to announce to you we are having a giveaway. I collaborated with my vlogger friends. This is one of them. So big. We are gonna be giving away a lot of products. I'm gonna insert the video very quick. And these are the prizes for the giveaway. Yes, girl. Whatever you're seeing on the pink fur is what the YouTube winner will get. And whatever you're seeing on the white fur, everything, all those products on the white fur is what the Instagram winner will get. Actually encouraging you to join both our YouTube and Instagram giveaway because it's the same people. These are all my vlogger friends. Same 12, I think we are 12 or 14 people. These are some awesome prizes. This is from the NYX Cosmetics. You got Hermes perfume, Burberry makeup set, the Cream Shop sponge, Smashbox, Christian Louboutin nail polish. Oh my god, these are really awesome. So if you guys want to join our giveaway, the rules, official rules, it's gonna be on the description box. Good luck. This giveaway is so freaking awesome. Whoever wins this giveaway is so super lucky. And also, if you want to enter for our Instagram giveaway, the link of my Instagram is on the description box. We're trying to do giveaway like every month, so if you've been joining our giveaway, it's almost the same people. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And don't forget, just to do good whenever you can. It's always for the better. I have a good one. God bless you.